everyone. So we're gonna do the spouse hair challenge, and so Tarin is gonna come in and curl my hair for me, and I'm gonna kind of coach him through it. So let's start. Watch the eyes.
Just keep it good.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, you gotta get the head a little bit.
Now where do we go?
No, grab a section.
This looks like it's already done. Might as well not wreck it.
Oh, vertical. Yeah. Oh gosh.
Okay, you're at a point in the hair.
That might be a bit too big, honey. Remember, your section should be about the size of your iron.
Do we have to? Is that part of the...
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it then.
You gotta lift up some hair and spray underneath.
Stuff smells pretty good at least.
Now all the sides.
This is where you truly feel like you're in the movies right now. You get to play the true role. Don't play the cats. I'm allergic to this stuff.
Okay, now you gotta rub it in like shampoo.
What?
A little bit, just lightly. Alrighty. Now, you gotta pull apart the curls a little bit with your fingers.
I like them.
Yeah, that's a little excessive.
No. How come everything looks so frizzy?
Well, here's the end result of the Tarin curls.